over, and which produces money for you, which you use to buy vehicles, buildings, and so on in the world. But of course, compared to other, if you compare to other OTS games where you just can take whatever the designers have created, here everything is created from scratch by you and can be adapted and changed at any time by you. So let's just go in and fill up our city a bit. Your city is the basis of your civilization, and it consists of, like in a very simplified SimCity simulator, it consists of a couple of different buildings. You have lodging where your people can sleep. You have factories which your people go to work in, and you have entertainment buildings which you need to use in order to keep from unrest, in order to keep your city working. So let's put down a couple of days. I'm going to cheat a little bit. Cheat us a bit of money. And put down a couple of days. So you can see, if you put down a factory, your people are going to be a bit unhappy. If you put down a entertainment building, your people are going to be happier, but they're going to be a bit less productive. So you kind of have to weigh everything. Let's just build a little building out of this. And you can zoom in, and you can see your creatures walking around their daily life, going in between the factories and so on. Alright.